Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best replacement bulbs is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of maintaining your Scentsy wax warmer. But trust me, a burnt-out bulb can seriously impact your fragrance experience. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of replacement bulbs, helping you choose the perfect one to keep your warmer glowing and your home smelling amazing. We'll cover everything from wattage to bulb types, ensuring you make the right choice. Number 5. OuuKoo 15WC7 Wax Warmer Replacement Bulbs. These 15WC7 bulbs use filament heat technology to melt wax cubes. It provides a flameless, smokeless, and pollution-free experience, eliminating fire hazards. It's the perfect heat source for your wax melt warmer. The bulbs are designed with high-temperature protection, preventing them from burning out. They are also waterproof and shatterproof, ensuring safe use and reducing the need for frequent replacements. This makes them a top choice for your warmer. These bulbs use high-transparency glass, emitting uniform and soft light. With a high CRI of 90+, it ensures objects display their natural colors. The bulbs are flicker-free and protect your eyes. The bulbs feature high-quality tungsten wire, extending their lifespan to over 2,500 hours. The standard E12 screw mouth makes it safe and convenient. They remain bright even after extended use. These C7 bulbs are suitable for various applications, including Scentsy plug-in warmers, Himalayan salt lamps, and candle warmers. They are versatile and easy to use in many different settings. What we like. This bulb offers a flameless and smokeless experience, perfect for those who prioritize safety and a clean environment. It also features high-temperature resistance, ensuring longevity and reliability. If you are looking for a safe and eye-friendly option, this is the one for you. What people say. I bought this replacement bulb for my plug-in wax warmer, and it works perfectly. The wattage and size were exactly right, so it fits snugly and heats up just like the original. It's bright enough to melt the wax evenly without getting too hot. They are bright enough that the lamps show a lot of color, and generate enough heat that the lamps feel warm. These are a very low wattage, so the bulb will last for a while. Number 4. G5025W Wax Warmer Bulbs for Scentsy Warmers, 6-pack. These G50 bulbs offer adjustable brightness, allowing you to control the heat. It helps to quickly melt your scented wax, filling your space with fragrance. Designed with an E12 candelabra base, it fits full-size Scentsy warmers. However, it might be too large for mid-size warmers, so make sure it is the right size. These 120V25W bulbs are built to last, providing over 1,500 hours of use. They are also safe, with a high-temperature resistance up to 300 degrees Celsius. Each pack includes 6 G16.5 Globe E12 candelabra base bulbs. You'll have plenty to keep your warmers running smoothly. The soft light emits a warm white glow, creating a cozy atmosphere. It's perfect for both homes and businesses, enhancing any environment. What we like. This bulb is dimmable, allowing you to control the heat and fragrance intensity. It also boasts a long lifespan, reducing the need for frequent replacements. If you like to customize your fragrance experience and want a long-lasting solution, consider this one. What people say. The bulb fit perfectly. The light is bright. Works great. Number 3. 6-pack Wax Warmer Bulbs G5025W. This bulb's brightness is adjustable, allowing it to release heat and melt scented wax. It provides the perfect ambience for your favorite fragrances. These 25-watt candelabra E12 base clear bulbs are ideal replacements for full-size wax warmers. They are a great solution for simmering lights. The G16.5 bulbs have a diameter of 1.97 inches and a height of 2.75 inches, with an E12 candelabra base. Make sure it fits your warmer. These bulbs offer high reliability and a long lifespan. They are packaged very well to ensure they arrive in perfect condition. This product is designed for full-size Scentsy warmers. It might be too large for mid-size wax warmers, so please check the size before purchasing. What we like. This bulb is a perfect replacement for full-size warmers and offers dimmable functionality to control the melting speed. If you are looking for a reliable replacement with adjustable brightness, this is a great choice. What people say. The bulbs last a long time, as I never turn my Scentsy pots off and use them as ambient lights and night light in my kitchen and living room, and these bulbs last me approximately 3 to 4 months running 24/7. The bulbs work as good as the Scentsy bulbs, giving the same amount of light and melt the wax as good as the others. Ordered the 25 watt for my large warmer and it works great, melts all the wax, and I forgot to turn it off one night, and even after being on for 24 hours I could still touch the warmer and it didn't feel way too hot. Number 2. Snnalosses 15WC7 Wax Warmer Replacement Bulbs. These 15WC7 bulbs use advanced filament heat technology. They quickly melt wax cubes without any flame, smoke, or pollution, ensuring a safe and clean environment. The bulbs feature high-quality tungsten wire, improving their lifespan. These incandescent bulbs last for over 3,000 hours and remain bright even after extended use, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Designed to withstand up to 300 degrees Celsius, these bulbs prevent overheating and burnout. This makes them ideal for continuous use in wax warmers and salt lamps. Made with high-transparency glass, the bulbs emit uniform, flicker-free light. They have a 90+ CRI, protecting your eyes while enhancing the natural colors of your surroundings. These C7 bulbs are perfect for Scentsy plug-in nightlight wax warmers, Himalayan salt lamps, and more. You can control the melting speed by adjusting its brightness. The brighter it is, the faster the wax melts, allowing you to customize the fragrance intensity. What we like? This bulb features a long lifespan, reducing the need for frequent replacements, and high temperature resistance for safety. If you are looking for a bulb that combines longevity with eye-friendly lighting, this is the one for you. What people say. I bought to replace the bulbs on my mini warmers from Scentsy, and they worked perfectly. Fits and functions as expected. The heat melts the candles, and that is why I bought them. The smaller watt bulbs can't melt the wax like these can. Number 1. 25W Wax Warmer Bulbs for Scentsy, Dimmable Warm White. This 25 watt bulb is designed for wax warmers, providing fast and even melting. The dimming function allows you to control the melting speed, perfect for any fragrance session. Built to last, this light bulb can withstand high heat for extended use. With a lifespan of over 2,500 hours, it's a durable choice for your warmers. Enjoy flicker-free, eye-comfort lighting with a high CRI. It ensures true color warmth, ideal for creating a cozy ambience. This versatile bulb fits various fixtures, including Scentsy warmers and chandeliers. Its safe design makes it suitable for use in different environments. We stand behind every bulb. If it arrives damaged or underperforms, contact us for a hassle-free solution, ensuring smooth melts every time. What we like? This bulb allows you to adjust the heat for quick or slow fragrance release. It also has a long lifespan and provides flicker-free, eye-comforting light. If you want to control the fragrance intensity and enjoy a long-lasting, comfortable light, then you should consider this. What people say. The bulb is the perfect replacement for my Scentsy warmer. It works great and is exactly what I needed. The light is bright and the scent throw is excellent. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.